Hey, today on Chef Kurt Live, we're gardening. We're getting ready for the spring planting. Let me show you around. Well, we're enjoying ourselves gardening during this pandemic. We all have got a little bit of cough, but nothing serious. So I want to show you around what we've done. We built this flower bed over here. This is topsoil. We're taking it, running it through a screen. One thing you got to watch out when you're doing the screen is our little friends, the worms. So as we go through this, you got to be real careful that these little fellas are going to get hurt. These little guys, we want to take care of these. Let you go down in the little hole here. And these guys are going to help us break that soil down. Okay, taking some remnants of our wood from our fencing, and we've taken the mulch, and these are pallets underneath here. And very bottom, we cut the pallets in half, connected them, and put these fence rails on here. And then we've gone to the back where from all those 21 loads of mulch have been breaking down. We've added the mulch here, and then here's our screened topsoil. So we're gonna top that off. This will be our flower bed for the garden. We've got our arches up. This is gonna be for the cucumbers and beans. Hope you enjoy it. We'll see you the next time. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'll keep you updated. Watch everything grow. Go grow something.